Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the access panel on your KitchenAid dishwasher. The instructions in this video apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new access panel for your KitchenAid dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The access panel attaches here on the bottom of the dishwasher. To remove, locate the retainers on either side of the panel. The access panel retainers are used to secure the access panel to the dishwasher's frame. The retainers are locked when they are oriented vertically. Using a flathead screwdriver, turn them a quarter turn to the left, releasing the locking mechanism. Now gently pull forward on the panel to remove the retainer. Pull the access panel forward gently, being careful not to rip the insulation. If you need to purchase a new access panel, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, insert the panel at an angle. Then, align the notches on the access panel to the slots on the frame and press into place. Align the access panel retainers to the notches on the access panel so that they are oriented horizontally in the unlocked position. Finally, turn them to the right so that they are orientated vertically, securing the access panel in place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.